Hi, my name's Stewart Foreman and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this beautiful bouncy blow dry at home using the new Remington Curl and Straight Confidence Hairdryer. The Curl and Straight Confidence Hairdryer has a few different nozzles. One of them is the curl nozzle. This is great. It fits alongside a brush, distributing heat evenly across the hair. The other nozzle is the smooth nozzle. This smooths the hair and gives it a nice sleek and shiny effect. Sectioning now, we're going to start from the crown, work our way down to the back of the ear because we want to subdivide the back to the front.
So Stuart, for my hair type, what heat setting would you recommend?
Okay, so what hair type do you feel you have?
It's quite fine, but
fine?
I'd say I have a lot of hair.
Yeah? All right, so let's have a look at the hairdryer here. So the hairdryer has 3 heat settings. So for your hair type, being fine but a lot of it, I've put it on the medium heat and the high speed.
Okay.
So that enables you to dry it quite quickly, but you're not
okay.
over drying the hair too quickly.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
It doesn't quite feel right, is
Okay,
it?
all right. So the good thing about this hairdryer is you can actually take the nozzle off there and twist it around. The good thing, it clips in so it doesn't actually move.
Yeah, okay.
So once it's in place, it's going to stay in place, it's not going to move around. So when you're doing the back there, because this fits nicely and flush into the brush, just turn it around. See how you feel with that.
Okay. Much better.
Today I've gone through with Madison how to create this beautiful, bouncy, soft curl blow dry at home.